So welcome back again guys to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be discussing in class activity 5 about strings in Python Google Colab. So let's start off with letter A. So the question asks us to get the total number of characters in a string. So the code is input string equal to input. So ask the user to enter a string or a text depende sa user. So count equals 0 for C in input string. If C dot, the code is here, C dot I space exclamation point equal to true, count plus 1. So it will count the number of total characters in a given string by the user. So let's run the code. So let's enter my course, which is engineering. So enter. So the total number of characters in the word engineering is 11. So it sums up all the number of letters in the word engineering, so it's 11. So moving on to letter B, the string is repeated 10 times. So our string is str equal to electronics engineering. So print str asterisk 10. So it will repeat electronics engineering 10 times. So let's enter the code and in. So as you can see, electronics engineering is repeated 10 times. So moving on to letter C. The first character of the string. Remember that string indicates starts at 0. So if you put 1 here, it will start by 1. It will start with 0, I mean. Work up to the given number of inputted by the user. So let's start with 0 in the word engineering. So which is the letter E here. Indicated 0 as the first letter in E in engineering. If we put here 1, it will input n, which it hinted at the given problem. So our output code is E, which is the first letter in engineering. So letter D, the first three characters of the string. So the first three letters str. So let's run the code. So our word here is Python. So the first three letters are pyt. So output of the Python program is pyt. Letter E, the last three letters of the string. So the last three letters of electronics are ICS. So which we print X braces that are boxed -3, which is the last three here indicated letters parenthesis, so ICS. Letter F, the string that is backwards printed. So our text is circuits here that I typed. So box braces -1. So spelled backwards of circuits is this. So STIUCRIC. Letter G, the seventh character of the string if the string is long enough and message otherwise. str. So our string is engineering with punctuations. Print str 7 asterisk 3. So 7 character of the string. So our seventh letter here 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh letter in engineering is R, so triple R. Letter H, the string with its first and last characters removed. So our string is electronics. So the program asks us to remove the first and last letter, which is E and S in electronics. So our input code is print str1 dash negative 1. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, there's no E and S, which is the first and last letter, remove. So letter I, the string in all caps or capital letters. So user input, which is our course, will ask the user to input its course, and print the user's input in uppercase letters or caps letters. So run the code. Our course is in electronics engineering. So enter. So as you can see here, electronics engineering is all caps and label as course. So moving on to the last problem, which is letter J, the string with every A replaced with an E. So our text is Apple apps. So we will replace A with E in the word Apple and apps. So our code is that we replace A with E, and our replace text equal to text dot replace A dash E, print replace text. So run the code. So as you can see here, Apple apps. So the Apple with A is replaced with E, and apps with A is replaced with E. So my conclusion to this activity in strings, whenever the user input a string, you could change whatever the user want and create a variable within it and count the number of letters and create a list to input and output strings. So that's my findings, and thank you and goodbye.